Okay. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to all of you on my channel. As you can see through interface that I have written here, Punjab University Lahore. So the video is going to be about a full informative video about Punjab University Lahore admission regarding lateral BS admission in their 5th semester and also the first semester of BS. So if you don't mind to subscribe the channel, so please give me a subscribe. Okay, let's move into the video. So I have received many queries and questions regarding the merit list about the 2021 BS first semester and BS fifth lateral semester. So today I'm going to show you that how can you check your merit by viewing the last year merit list, and how can you calculate your own merit list, your own merit aggregate, PU merit aggregate. So let's dive into the video. uh, Mostly students are from college and they are now going to apply, so they are little bit confused. So I'm here to resolve all the queries, and if further you want to get any information about the universities, about the scholarship, please stay updated by subscribing or by hitting the bell icon. So first of all, you can see the interference. The website itself is a gold mine. The PU provide all the information through that one lonely Ikloti website, and they don't put information on Facebook and these things. So this is something not very good or pleasing, but we have to compromise on it. Okay, so first of all, I need to show you that from where you can get the last merit list. So the last merit list here, you can see it is a merit list of 2021, and that merit list is like fresh merit list. When you have to check your merit list, you have to click that and select your program. But now the purpose is to show you how can you check your merit, like the possible merit or the last year merit, through which you can get an idea of your program merit, so you can apply at the multiple programs. Oh, and my charging is getting lower, so I just plug in charger. So you can see here I have open, and this is my interface. So you can check the your concerned department. Like here it is the Department of Archaeology, Department of English Studies, Department of French, and all these. You can check your program like aggregate like this. They didn't offer last year BS admission. They only offered admission in MA and MSc. And English Studies, Institute of English Studies, they have 1470.00 marks. So they have their own criteria, because each department has their own criteria of making the aggregate, but this is the journal one, and most of the department follow this, except I guess English. So you can see the some has mentioned their marks and some has mentioned their percentage. So I'll show you the both procedure. How can you calculate your? I'm typically showing you the uh, aggregate one, so you can check the last merit list. And probably this year, many students got high marks in their examination. So it's you can assume that your merit is going to be high this year by 2 to 3 number or percentage number. So this thing, I think this thing has been clear now. And if you can't open the link, you can, I'm scrolling it down, you can check the through that. Okay, like this. So you can see that each program marks here. Okay, so now it's time to calculate your aggregate. How can you calculate your aggregate? So you have to move up like this. You have to go in admission tab. You in admission you have to scroll down. Why it's not been scrolling down? Okay, so here it is the merit calculator. So here it is the merit calculator. Basic merit criteria for MA, MSc or equivalent. This is merit criteria for the MA, MSc or lateral fifth semester. So here you have to place your obtained marks like this. Many student has obtained nowadays 1100. So here you have to marks obtained like 1013 from 1100. So in BA BSc mostly people like PU offer 800 total marks, and it could be 600. Okay, now you have to calculate marks. So from there you have to, okay, please enter number only. So here additional marks you don't have, so you need to add 0. Okay, so now I'm going to calculate it. Okay, so there is your merit marks 83.21 from there. So how you can calculate your aggregate for the lateral fifth semester entry or for the MA/MSc? They have actually they have announced officially that they have um, officially uh, like stopped their MSc, or now there's no more MSc from the PU. So they have changed it MA/MSc into equivalent fifth semester. So you can check like this. For BS first semester, they simply plus the marks of your metric and FA, and plus they add additional marks for the uh, Hafs Quran, which is 20 marks, and there is a quota for the like the quota for the specially abled person, and just that. So there are two different criteria which I have shared with you guys. And still you have any question, let me know. And if you have filled your form wrongly, you need to check my video in a description what to do in that case. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you have any question, let me know. Hope that you all got in your I hope and I wish that you all get admission in your desirable program. Further, for any question, feel free to comment, and please subscribe if you think the video was informative, you got some help from that video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.